hirap mag-video message pero congratulations. Finally, nakapag-promote. Na-promote ka na rin for team leader. So, congratulations again and good luck. All the best. We're here for you. Yun na. Bye-bye. Go skyscraper daw. Congratulations! Finally, na-promote ka na as DL. Well, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na yan until mag-BM ka na. And we love you! Bye-bye! Go skyscraper! Ayun, hello boss! Hello Miss Abby! Anyway, first of all, congratulations kasi you're already promoted na po. After all the pressures, at least we made it. Na-promote na kayo. Then, of course, thank you for everything sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa akin. And then, nagkaroon naman siya ng bunga. And then, ayun, I'm very thankful sa'yo kasi ano yung natutunan ko sa'yo, at least na-apply ko siya. And then, so there, nagbunga rin siya sa'yo kasi you're a very good leader. Anyway, congratulations! Bye-bye! Skyscraper! Hi Abby! Congratulations! At last, na-promote ka din after ilang months. Yun na. Go skyscraper!